In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Airtable to Google Sheets. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to move your data by downloading a CSV from Airtable and getting it ready for use in Google's spreadsheet environment. This approach keeps your structure clear and avoids formatting surprises. Start by opening your web browser on your computer and heading to airtable.com. Once the site loads, navigate to the base that holds the data you want to move and open the exact table you're interested in. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the right view within that table. The export will mirror what you see here, which means filters, sorts, and hidden fields matter. If a column is hidden in the current view, it won't show up in the CSV. If the records are filtered, only the ones visible in the view will be included. This makes views a powerful way to tailor what you export. With the table open, look to the top left corner of the grid for the view dropdown. Click that drop-down to reveal view options and actions available for the current table. From this menu, choose Download CSV. Airtable will generate a comma-separated file of your current view. When your browser prompts you to save, pick a location you'll remember like your desktop or Downloads folder, and give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Keeping a version tag or date in the file name can help you track which snapshot you exported. A quick note about CSVs: they're plain text files that store your table's data in a universal format. This makes them great for moving information between tools. Because they're text-based, you might see differences in special formatting when you open them in other apps, but the raw data remains intact. That's exactly what we want when bringing Airtable data into Google Sheets. After the download finishes, open Google Sheets in your browser. You can use your usual way of accessing it. Having your freshly downloaded CSV handy will make this next part smooth. If you ever find your results don't look right, it's usually because the wrong view was active in Airtable or certain columns were hidden. Go back to the table, adjust the view to show the fields you need and the records you want, and then repeat the download step to capture the corrected snapshot. That's it. You've taken your Airtable table, captured exactly what you see via a CSV, and you're ready to work with it in Google Sheets. Keeping your exports tied to well-named Airtable views will save you time and ensure consistency every time you repeat this process.